Trashidale, I'm Trashi, and I am from Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Institute. And today, and through this opportunity, I would like to share some very importance of our Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Institute. And mainly, I want to introduce some very importance of our Pema Ts'al. And the most importantly, I met many four categories which I would like to share about. And the first is Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery, second the College of Pema Ts'al, and the third Pema Ts'al School, and the fourth Pema Ts'al Hotel. So the first of Pema Ts'al Monastery is established on 1999 March 13. And the founder of Pema Ts'al Monastery is Venerable Khenpo Pema Ts'al and Venerable Khenpo Kungwa. Our main temple has 4 floors. The first floor is the program hall. The second one is for the main temple shrine, and the third one is for the High Lama's Rinpoche's room, and the fourth one is High Lama's dining and kitchens. According to these astrology and the Buddhist traditions, every monastery and every main temple shrine should have to be faced to the east direction. Our main temple is surrounded by very beautiful gardens. The right side of the temple, we have a building of college and the college monks building. Our Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery was registered and added by the Nepal government. Presently, we have 120 monks, and which are mostly from Himalayan regions, and including Tibetan and Nepali. Our annual grand ritual of Pema Ts'al are the recitations of Kanjur Rinpoche 108 volumes, the Vajrayana ritual Sanamandala program, the Hair Varsha ritual Sanamandala programs, the Mahavarajana ritual Sanamandala, and the Throwing Vajrayana ritual. Left side of the main temple, we have the monastery school, and the back side of the monastery temple, we have the building of Hotel Pema Ts'al, and in front of the monastery temple, we have 8 Tathagatas stupas. Pema Ts'al Monastery is a thriving modern monastic community and dedicated to educating Buddhist monks and pursuing this ancient Sakya tradition. Monastery College was started on 2004. Since that years, our college has been run well and also raised so many students. The institute was established on 1999 March 13 in Kathmandu. In 2002, our Pema Ts'al Monastery was relocated in Pokhara, so our Pema Ts'al Monastery Institute was registered and edited by the Nepal government. Hyamjha is taking all the responsibility of our college, and currently we have our very special teacher from Tsongsa Institute. Our monastery college was started on 2004. Since that years, our college has been run well and also raised so many students. Last 2 years ago, our college students were graduation from our monastery college, and after finishing monastery school and the ritual studies, then our students joined to monastery college. This is our Pema Ts'al school, Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Basic School, which was registered under Nepal government. Presently, we have 120 students studying a comprehensive educational program sanctioned by the Nepal government.
2 7 are 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 out of 7. 9 plus 16. यो सबै जोड्यो भने कति भयो 17 plus फेरि 17 2 दा कति हुन्छ
Lama Trecin Wangyal is the principal of Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Institute, and Lobsang Sering is the headmaster of Pema Ts'al. And we have 15 teaching staff members and 10 non-teaching staff members. Our monastery school is a unique and beautiful place situated on a quiet hilltop. It offers a magnificent and panoramic view of the Fistal and the Annapurna Himalaya mountain range. It is about 20 minutes north of Lakeside, and Lakeside is one of the best tourism destinations in Nepal. Pokhara is the second largest city of Nepal. In our school, we have 4 departments, which are sport department, education department, health department, and environment department. We have a sport like football, table tennis, swimming, basketball, and chess.
Salawatan thalji Joshi ladiga suchu gire cheba ina mitamu chugi sese mana ninja mi jumsi tayang da gu gu lan tala mas bi chiji la ke amse chuna sawata notun ta ya bu mai ba ta kan ta dila so so pena ninja mi
In the 21st centuries, we call it is a modern society. In every modern society, there should be a education system. That's why in our Pema Ts'al school, we private modern studies so importantly, because education is the light of life. This is our Pema Ts'al swimming pool. In every weekend we used to play, and mostly our college monks and school students swim in every weekend.
Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation, yeah. You look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and rolled up nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful.
This is our hotel Pema Ts'al, and Rizal Lama is the manager of our hotel. All income goes to Pema Ts'al Monastery, which we use for the facilities and educational function of the monastery. Our hotel Pema Ts'al has a website, and through the website you can check and book in anytime, because our hotel is open for the 24 hours. And you can make also package for the sightseeing around the Pokhara cities. And also our hotel Pema Ts'al private Buddhist philosophy teaching. Hotel was built with the financial support from foreign donors for making PTSMI self-sustaining. On the 27th of August 2017, the hotel was inaugurated by His Holiness the 42nd Sajjad Ranavaja Rinpoche, the supreme head of the Sakya set of Tibetan Buddhism. Accommodations with 35 beautifully decorated and furnished rooms, we aim to provide you with luxury comfort and outstanding customer care. The rooms are well equipped with modern amenities, and our staff are ready to help you at call. All rooms provide beautiful scenery. We have deluxe, standard, double, twins and single bathrooms. It is approximately 20-minute drive from Pokhara Airport or Pokhara trees and local bus station. The hotel offers natural beauty of the Annapurna Himalayan range, green hills and views of the Sethi River. The hotel is the property of Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Institute. The revenue generated from the hotel will support 120 students from economically deprived backgrounds residing at PTSMI. With immense pleasures, on behalf of the Pema Ts'al Sakya Monastery Institute, I would like to say a lot of thanks to our sponsorship for making this Pema Ts'al. Because of your love and compassion, you made our lives here, and we are very proud of you all.